Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to talk about how we can delete a character in character.ai. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. However, first of all, we should know that a character cannot be deleted in character.ai app. So we have to follow these steps to change the character into a different one. So first and foremost, we need to type in the URL of character.ai, which is http beta.character.ai. Once we do so, we end up in our login page. As you're already logged in, all you need to do is select one character which you want to be deleted. Once you select it, you can see all your chat infos with it. So now, first of all, we have to simply click on the three dots on our right hand side, which will give us three drop down menus. So now all you got to do is select the remove messages option from the drop down menu. Once you press the remove option, now you have to select the message which you want to get removed and click on the remove option down below. So again, we have to click on the three dots and select the view character settings. Now all you need to do is change the necessary information of your character and make it a new one. Now once you press the save button, you are all set, and this is how you delete a character in character.ai. I hope this video was helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.